Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the ElementalMaker. In a bit of a different room today, because guess what? We are celebrating not just Thanksgiving, but 25,000 subscribers. Absolutely unbelievable. I cannot believe we have reached this milestone. Tomorrow's Thanksgiving, and I'm trying to get this turkey thawed. It's a big block of ice at this point. This was the turkey from a few years ago, sat in the freezer, and I got something really special planned for it. Because, you know, we hit this milestone. It's Wanksgiving tomorrow, so you got to give a wank or two. And I thought it would be a good way to celebrate with you guys. So let's hopefully get this thing thawed for tomorrow. If not, the video might be a day or two late, but it is what it is. Well, happy Turkey Day, everybody. By some miracle of science, we got this massive freezer burned chunk of Ebola thawed out, and now we just need to make the proper stuffing for it. So to make our very special stuffing, we are going to need 900 grams of aluminum powder, holding my lungs closed. Whew. Time for a respirator. Alright, so almost there. And I'm going to add a little bit of flake aluminum just to help the reaction go a little faster. Beauty! And now on top of that, we're going to need a whopping 2,670 grams of the good stuff. So let's tear that and begin adding. Nearly there. There's 5 pounds. This might be more than fits in the turkey. Close enough. And now we gotta wang jangle these suckers together. In the words of one of my favorite YouTube channels. Just intermixitating our stuffing real nice and gently. Alright, it is now time to stuff this dirty bird. Put a condom in there just for protection. Oh, I don't think we're going to be fitting all the stuffing in there, so guess we got to lay it around the bird. I think that'll be adequate. That should get her cooking. Now, I've stuffed a turkey or two in my day, but never quite with anything this hot. Fingers crossed, huh? Let's hope she cooks. Just gonna give her a final basting in the cum gutter. Gotta baste your turkey. Smells like Thanksgiving. All right, let's fire this turkey up. Holy shit. That's hot. Oh, we just saw some flames coming out the top of the turkey. Guys, I have terrible news. I think we may have overcooked this bird. She's smoldering pretty good. My God, it smells horrific. Oh, smell of burning flesh. Horrible. And unfortunately, we melted right through our pan, so we didn't catch any of them delicious juices. God, I hope the one in the oven turned out better. Alright guys, well, happy Thanksgiving. I will see you next time. Thank you so much for joining me. Thank you for the 25,000 subscribers. That is a crazy milestone. And I will see you guys next time. Have a good one. Ha ha.